The Marines are retarded. That's part of their crime.
Alright, stick this in my back. Go. Oh, I ain't gonna do it. Yeah!
Greetings, Airsofters, and welcome back to another day at Paintball Paradise. The game mode is VIP, in which each team has a high-value target that needs to be taken out with the use of a Nerf gun. As I am still a noob to Airsoft, I choose to avoid using the highly specialized ordnance and stick to working on taking out the enemy team in order to make an opening for my team to push up with the VIP killer. I apologize for the audio, I'm still getting my recording setup figured out.
Got one! Oh, coming out. I'm gonna move up to the barn. Right there? Yeah. I'll get the rock. Scared the shit out of me. You get him? Well, he's out. In the bushes to the right? Bushes on the right side, or where are they? Ooh. Nope. He sees me though. Good shit. Good one. I could not see you worth the life of me. I couldn't see you either, but I saw your BD go right past my face. Oh fuck, there you are, Jesus Christ! Yeah, I was stuck down. Could not see you. Oh, good. Very nice. Oh, hit!
Respawned, and I decide to try my luck at setting an ambush by one of the paths leading from the enemy base. So I leave my RT5 behind and make my move with my brand new Black Ace pistol by Armorworks. That could not have gone better.
Got one of them.
Watch that far right window of bank. Somebody was just shooting at us in there.
Alright.
Nope. Nope, nope, nope. What are you aiming at?
And a wicked shot to my collarbone. The game ended soon after in a draw, with VIPs unharmed. Until next time, Airsofters, take care.